nayo nigo University ya Kisii kubwatirana n'abatuki naboigo ababwatani ao litukurere baba guchakia umusangirikano yoraire ikengima uyorengete koriya machibu kubwatikana na makongwa yo abirega kwenekiwa imeyense ya Kenya abuna uburwaire bwa Covid-19 naboigo chise yinigo mo Vice Chancellor wa University yo Professor Ndizi abereka oteba buna University nigo berwete kegima asibarachi kobeka umukia bwo gukora ubutuki ere kwenekiya buna amachibu y'amakongo ao abeire gakunyorekana muri Keito Mildred Mumanye nekiranase University yo nagutwariganiriya oroboti ya senchira yo gwikirano.
Omo Vice Chancellor wa University ya Kisii Professor Ndizi abatuki kurwa ase chingongo au kurwa ensengima kubwatirana amwana babwatani ao nigo bachaka conference litukulia lero eyera chikoera litukulia ijuma ewiki yega ase ekerenga ekenene ekyokulia amachibu ya makongo ao ayabeirega kwenekiwa imense ya Kenya ase chingaki chia etire
ito ya Kisii ya igoire emirango yaye elinde abalimu n'abatuki korwe ensengima bachega banyorana asaba korro botuki bwabo balentire biri banyora kara bale korro botuki nebitawo balikire no bongaini obuye boli banyorere nawo bacha gukora igase lero mambia na chuma na riri tukotokora so abantu bacha lero tubugata abantu kurwa Kenya University itoga kor Kenya mbaro kor Uganda mbaro ndubugata abande korwa South Africa na abande mbaro korwa America abande mbaro bali kaiga physically na abande mbaro bale bago participate ya conference ye online.
Professor Ogechi nigo akwanira egatia makongu au ayabeirega gochenchia ense egatia bo oborere bwa Covid-19 chinsegi chabere chikwenekiwa asense ya Russia na korwa ekirenga kyomoyego yo obeirego kolenta amakongu au asense moye biasara asebarachi guchakia obotuki na kurigia amachibu ya makongu ayo
ekirenga kanenekia conference ye nigo yo kora ebiashara na kurigia obotenenku bwense boet asengaki amangana achenchiria tali munariria kabere kale achenchiria sengencho ntumanye tenga semyake bere yaera ntwabwate oborwe bwale corona bona iga ekwenero resegnero gendete ya Russia ebinte byonse bine binde byonse na siasa enderoro na bigo chenchia mazingira se biashara bigokoro lakini bona abatuki baitoga igo bacha gotebinga neba mangana ayo karoro amarwire nabo neba chisege kirororo engencho nerororo abakwende abasomya abaito be university baranyale ko chenchie bintu ekara bakoro botuki enyale kanenga ebiashara mbigenderere enyale kanenga obotenengo se economy ya yensengima na Gusii abekwana rokina
nonya nabo igo nigo ateba buna University yuteligo tigwa magega asense moyo botuki ase abatabire abatuki bonsi wose researchers wetoma ase okumerana nabande elioko eneke buna ngonyora bale amabaga yo botuki korwa asense ya Kenya oika chinse chaisiko.
Kisii is not going to be left behind in terms of research, because if you have to be a university that is worth its salt, and particularly a university that is now 10 years old, we have no business if we are not participating in research. What we have been encouraging our colleagues to do is to do a lot of networking. Remember, that's what we are talking about, a lot of partnerships. And you'll notice that even the conference today was not only funded by the Kisii University Council and management, but rather we had to get some support from other partners who are working with us. And at the same time, we're also encouraging our colleagues here that for research to be progressing, we need to also look out to research opportunities that have been announced where people are looking for people to participate in research. There are the local funding organizations for research. Of course, you know the National Research Fund in the country. We're also talking about other international organizations.
Kuripotelea egeta seni kia Ndizi TV, Elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.